Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at the Utah City Library, or the Salt Lake City Library. I'll take you inside and show you what an American library looks like. Bye everybody. So this is an American library. And libraries are really just filled with books, right? And this is the Utah Library, passports, health. So these are all reading rooms. So this whole row, if you look, see how they have little tables and chairs and people sitting in them. So this whole section, when you look at it this way, this section and this section and this section and this section all the way along are all for reading or for people doing work or what have you. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stories tall. And so it's a big place. Cool. Let's go look at another floor. Okay, I'll be back. And this is another floor. And more books and more books and more books. And it just goes on. This goes on way the heck over that way. And way the heck this way. And there's a whole kids section, and there's video sections, and teen lounge, and books on top of books. And this is a public library, so there's no, it's just for the people. It also has an amphitheater out here. I'll go to this door. There's a guy over there sleeping. So you can see the amphitheater right here outside. And then this is a walkway. It goes up to the 5th floor. And there's a bee reserve or something up on the top, and a garden and everything else. That's cool down there too. But again, books, books, and more books. Okay, let's move on. And here's another section. I'm gonna go, paperbacks. So if you like westerns or love stories or whatever these things are, they're all paperbacks or comics. Or anime. Pretty nice public library, huh? Okay, I'll be back.